Hello everybody. It's time for another installment of Hailstorm Recovery. Today we're getting the new roof. Not sure what I'm going to be able to record here, but I'll definitely show the aftermath. Vehicles are out. Got them at a neighbor's house, so they're safe and sound. It's one of the guys there. Got tarps up to protect the plants and stuff like that, so that's a good thing. Same there. Well, here's what we're at. Getting down to the paper. There's a look at the trailer that they're putting the debris on. The new shingles. Looks like they're going to town on that side. I was in there working and it was getting pretty loud, so I came over here for a little while. We've got the Pinnacle Pristine shingles. They're oyster colored, so they'll be slightly darker than the Shasta white that's on the roof now, or was on the roof. So we'll check in later on. Got the old unimus bushes covered up, even though they're in pretty poor condition, but we'll see how it goes. They got a good rhythm going now, so that's awesome. So everybody knows what this means also. Gonna have to take the burner out of the water heater and vacuum that bottom tray out, the flame arrestor. I believe that's what that's called. We'll get to that in another video right now. Just kind of keeping an eye on what's going on here. This kind of sounds like the hailstorm that destroyed the roof. Well, progress is being made. Still got a long way to go, though. It's about 11 hours later. So we'll see how much they get done before dark. Working across the front now. Well, the new roof is on. There was a couple of spots that needed to be reworked a little bit, but they did it. No questions asked. So we got the workshop done, the shed, the patio, a general look at it. Turned out reasonably well. So once again, Hailstorm Recovery, Part 6. Thank you for watching.